Just like any retail brand, your website has a cart that you want people to fill, whether that means registering for an event, becoming a member, signing up for a certification program, or engaging with your educational content. You do a lot to get people to fill their carts, but what if they leave before checking out? Retargeting helps you drive those people back to your site to finish their transaction. For example, let's say I visit the membership page for an association called Birdwatchers International, and I start the process to become a member. But then I abandon the page. Birdwatchers International can then retarget me all over the web with ads encouraging me to go back and complete my registration. The more personalized the ads, the better. If the association reminds me of why I wanted to become a member in the first place, I'll be more likely to go back and sign up. Or what if your goal is event registration? Let's call the event BirdCon. You can target cart abandoners with discounted ticket prices or event features to encourage them to go back to your site and complete their registration. You can even apply retargeting to member engagement efforts. If someone starts registering for your continuing education course but then leaves, target them with ads highlighting the benefits of your courses. No matter what cart you're trying to get your web visitors to fill, retargeting is the most effective way to bring them back if they don't complete their order on the first go-round.